Got him. You want to do a countdown? Yes. Give a short out. I think I... Oh my God. He's running. Oh, he got double knocked. Okay, you get the back. All right, we both hit him. There he goes. Got him. Do a male owl, we shoot. You want to shoot? Oh, you got one. Click. I think I got him. Can you see him? I can't see from down here. I think he's kicking, but I'm not sure. Shoot him again. Shoot him again if you can. Oh my God. He's running. Oh, he got double knocked. Okay, do it again. I rolled him. Got him. Got him.